enjoy the video. If you like it, then don't forget to like and share. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Write in the comments and tell us what you think about this video.
Nauli Kriya is an ancient yogic purification method that not only cleanses the digestive organs but also awakens the subtle energies within, creating a harmonious balance of body, mind, and spirit. The practice of asana and pranayama certainly generates energy, but Nauli activates the system in a much shorter time and with greater force. Its effect is especially noticeable on the digestive and excretory systems. It produces heat in the body, stimulates digestion, assimilation, and absorption, thereby reducing excretion. It balances the endocrine system and helps control the production of sex hormones. Nauli is one of the kriyas or shatkarmas cleansing practices of yoga. This exercise is claimed to cleanse the abdominal area, digestive organs, small intestine, and is based on massaging the internal organs of the abdomen by circular movements of the abdominal muscles. Nauli is especially useful for reducing constipation, indigestion, nervous diarrhea, acidity, flatulence, depression, hormonal imbalance, sexual and urinary disorders, laziness, lethargy, lack of energy and emotional disturbances. By practicing this, a person can control his appetite and sensual desires and strengthen his willpower. If this can be achieved, the practitioner will surely find deep satisfaction within. Nauli is a practice of classical hatha yoga but is not often taught in yoga schools. Nauli is considered a difficult exercise, which can be learned only with dedication and patience. Caution. However, not everyone can practice Nauli. People who suffer from heart disease, high blood pressure, hernia, gastric or duodenal ulcers, or who are recovering from any internal injury or abdominal surgery cannot do it. With practice, one can start doing advanced asanas kriyas like Nauli Kriya. Here I will show all the initial exercises of Nauli Kriya and then also teach how to do Nauli Kriya. Before practicing Nauli Kriya, you have to do Uddiyana Bandha. In Uddiyana Bandha, inhale through the nostrils and then exhale forcefully through the mouth. And hold the breath outside for a few moments, and then apply Uddiyana Bandha and pull the stomach upward. This was Uddiyana Bandha, do it at least 5 times. Then perform Agni Kriya. You have to do this activity 3 times, but between 2 Agni Sar activities, you have to give rest to the stomach for 1 minute. Only after that start the next round. Remember to give a gap of 1 minute after doing one Agni Sar Kriya and before doing another Agni Sar Kriya. Take care of this, otherwise you may get stomachache. It has 4 forms, which are learned gradually one after the other. Madhyana Nauli, isolated contraction of the central abdominal muscles. Vama Nauli, isolated contraction of the left side of the central abdominal muscles. Dakshina Nauli, isolated contraction of the right side of the central abdominal muscles. Nauli Kriya, circular movements of the central abdominal muscles. In yoga, Nauli is generally recommended for relief from constipation. Exercise can clean the small intestine and eliminate digestive problems. Nauli Kriya is usually performed standing, but it is also possible to perform it in other positions such as lotus, with the torso bent forward and support with the hands on the thighs. After exhaling completely, the entire stomach is forcefully brought in and then the middle abdominal muscles are contracted and rotated in a circle. It is easier to practice Nauli in a standing position in the beginning. After doing this for several months you will be able to make medium Nauli. So look at it again, it was medium Nauli. When you become proficient in medium, then it will be easy to move it left and right. You will be able to do this much easier when you can process both. Then you will be able to rotate it. See how to rotate Nauli, inhale and then exhale. First we will rotate it from one side. Then we will rotate to the other side. Rotate the Nauli by holding the breath out for as long as possible. So breath also plays a big role in this. Along with this, also practice pranayama so that you can hold your breath for a longer period.